What if I tell you there's a category of stocks that have survived multiple market crashes and are still considered the safest bets in the stock market? Stocks that even your grandparents would approve of investing in. Well, I am talking about blue chip stocks. So what exactly are blue chip stocks? How can they help you build wealth with lower risk? Well, I will simplify it for you in this episode of Finance Now, where we make finance easy for you. Basically, blue chip stocks are shares of large, well-established companies with a history of stable earnings, strong market position, and reliable dividend payments. These companies typically have market capitalizations in thousands of crores and are leaders in their respective industries. Remember, blue chip stocks are known for their stability and consistent performance over long periods, making them less volatile than smaller company stocks. Here's how it works. When the overall market is bullish, blue chip stocks provide steady but moderate returns with lower risk. When the market is bearish or volatile, blue chip stocks tend to fall less compared to smaller stocks, acting as a safer investment. So how can you use it for your advantage? Well, you can build a stable investment portfolio and generate regular income through dividends by simply including blue chip stocks in your investment strategy. Here's how you can do it. If you want steady long-term growth with lower risk, you can invest in blue chip stocks from different sectors. This means you get exposure to India's most stable companies while reducing your portfolio volatility. If you want regular income, focus on blue chip stocks with consistent dividend history. However, if you want growth with stability, you can also consider blue chip stocks from emerging sectors. But here's what makes blue chip stocks special. They are not just about capital appreciation. Many blue chip companies have been paying dividends consistently for decades, providing you with regular income even during market downturns. Blue chip stocks are crucial building blocks for any long-term investment portfolio in India. They provide stability, regular income, and protection against market volatility while still offering reasonable growth potential. So do you also invest in blue chip stocks? Share with us in the comment section below.